Hello Seekers, welcome to Lifetime Soul, and this is once again a moon transit analysis. Moon will make its move in the sign of Virgo on 1st of November, and on 3rd of November moon will make its move out of Virgo zodiac sign. Now once moon moves in this particular zodiac sign, moon will be with exalted Mercury. I will say kind of exalted because Mercury will be around 29 degrees when moon will move into this zodiac. Now going into Virgo, moon goes third from Cancer zodiac sign. So this is a desperate attempt for emotions to come in sync with the logic. Because moon, when it goes into Virgo, it completely pushes itself into the brain, into the intellect side, into the information side. But this also means that you are venting out your emotions, you are relaying or communicating your words to somebody whom you think can support you or understand you. Now understand this particular day. Lot of thing is happening around Virgo zodiac sign because the moment moon will enter the Virgo zodiac, next day Mercury will move out of Virgo to the sign of Libra. So there's a quick movement of Mercury to a sign where there is a debilitated sun. That means you will have this lot of emotion or impulse to talk about your emotions, to discuss your feelings, maybe to open up yourself or to talk about your feelings to somebody whom you always wanted to say, but you cannot. And these emotions will be coming from deep inside you. But the problem is because Mercury is moving out very quickly, you may find that maybe you will have this feeling that there has been a delay. You got late. You should have spoken before. Don't get worried about all these feelings, especially in the matters of love, relationships and marriage. See, Rahu from the 9th is aspecting this moon, Jupiter from the 5th is aspecting this moon, and Saturn is aspecting the second house from the moon. So definitely moon feels the force. It's like in a tug of war, and moon feels the force of push and pull between different kind of emotions and planets. 4th from moon will be Venus, which is in Moola Nakshatra. And why this is important? Because the dispositor of moon will be with Sun and Mars in the sign of Libra, and then the Libra Lord Venus goes 4th from the moon, which is actually the true happiness. So when Venus goes into Moola Nakshatra, you will remember all the past days, the good time of your life, the good moments, and it will make you nostalgic. But it also means that you should focus on why that time was good. Were you doing something for yourself? Were you following your passion? Are you doing things that really makes you happy? So if you want to find out the true meaning of happiness, this is the time. And this is true for almost everybody, but exclusively for Sagittarius and Virgo moon sign natives. If you are feeling sad and you want to find true happiness, then this is the time when you can actually get a hint. I'm not saying it will just come and it will be revealed, but at least you will get some hint about your emotions, and this will actually convert you into a person who will deal things with a lot of patience and perseverance. So that was a quick analysis of moon transit in the sign of Virgo. We'll meet in the next video. Do subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss another update, and follow me on my social media platforms, and do connect for detailed astrology videos and learnings on Puneet's Astrology channel. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.